have to see this.
The monsoon. It is so magical. I can never get enough of it. The last time Rohit and I filmed the monsoon, it was in the rainforest of Agumbe. This time, we wanted to go higher up in the Western Ghats.
Oh wow. Tada. I actually don't know how you find these kind of places. Every time. I have to thank a friend for it. Oh, it's so good to be back here. Oh, how's your filming going?
Filming is going fine, Sarah. Just been learning, finding new stuff, new techniques, new species, new behavior, something which I haven't seen.
It's so beautiful, no? This moss.
Yeah, really, really good.
Just look at the water droplets. Have you been doing any macro?
No, that I have never tried actually. Never explored. It's always been on a long lens.
I know. So I have a little gift for you. I bought something that I thought you would enjoy. I'm glad I can give you that. Wow. What is this? You open and you discover.
I'm really excited. Wow, you got me a probe lens.
Yes.
Perfect place.
I think it gives you shots that no other lens can give you.
Now you have made this trip worthwhile. Awesome, let's do it. The detailing is just amazing, Sarah.
Hey, did you hear that call?
Yes. What is that? Yes. Yeah. What was that?
Very important.
I've heard the call earlier.
Okay, I need to go and check this out, man.
Okay.
I'll catch you later.
Done. Sure. Call me.
We are at an elevation of about 1,500 meters and further south of Agumbe. The rain isn't as incessant, but it's colder and windier. Some of the species of plants and animals are so different here. I came here looking for an animal that is so close to my heart. But Rohit had something else in his mind. He told me he wouldn't rest until he finds it.
Sarah, you have to see this.
Hey, Rohit.
Hey Sarah, just the perfect time. Watch the action.
It's like magic, man.
Yeah, I mean, it's like millions are coming out.
This was just amazing. These were bracket fungi, and they were releasing their spores into the wind. Every time a raindrop hit the surface, a mist of spores came out. The spores are the seeds of the bracket fungus. They can produce billions of them. Every single one of them can grow into a new organism, but only if they settle in the right place. I could see that Rohit was completely thrilled to witness this. After all, he had come here for this.
Perfect. Can't get better than this.
We have enough shots for it.
Yes, yes.
I can hear the call again. I want to go and check it.
Yeah, let me just wrap it up and then we can head there.
Okay, I'm going to go.
Sure, I'll see you in some time.
Hey, Rohit. Come here. Quick. This is the animal gliding frog.
Oh, okay.
This is the guy I've been looking for. That call, no?
Yeah.
You know, I was there when they actually discovered and described this species. What? Many years ago. I'm so glad I can see it now. I'm meeting an old friend.
I think your friend is recognizing you.
Yeah.
The Animali gliding frog is one among nearly 30 species of amphibians that have been recently discovered in the Western Ghats, which is quite amazing. Just drives home the point that we know so little about what we have.
Hey, I think there's a mating pair there, yeah. Come, Rose. Come here, over there.
Gliding frogs as a group have a really interesting way of protecting their eggs. They build a foam nest. Indian frogs in general have some incredible tricks when it comes to breathing. But I think these guys are by far the cleverest. The foam that these animals whip up has no parallel in the human world. It has properties beyond our imagination. It can last for many days without decomposing. It can retain moisture all the time. And most importantly, hold enough air for the developing eggs to breathe. There is nothing that humans have created that can come close to this.
Can you see now? So slowly you can start see those white little dots?
Yes.
Those are the eggs. I think she's almost done now. Can you see the male is leaving? He's trying to go away.
Yeah.
His job is done. So he's leaving.
The foam by itself can withstand the weather and protect the eggs. But the female takes it a step further. While the foam is still sticky, she starts folding the leaf, attaching it to the nest. The leaf is a second layer of protection. The coolest thing about all this is that the nest is always built on a leaf that is hanging above the water. It is such an amazing strategy. When the tadpoles hatch, they can drop into the water below.
Our nest from last night.
Yeah. Because this is not a natural environment as I see here.
Yeah.
And how did you come here?
I knew that you could find this species here,
Okay.
and this is something I've been looking for a long time. And I spoke to a friend of mine, and he advised me to come here. Hadley, I've come here looking for my dream frog, okay? I saw this 20 years ago, and I want to see it again. It's the Annamalai gliding frog. Where can I find it?
So the Shola patches definitely is the right place. We can find them, but because of the elephant activity, especially because of for Padepa, you don't want to go in front of the Padepa. One of my friend got a cardamom mistake, and activity is pretty really good in that area.
So that's how I got directed here, and I think it's a great decision.
That's great.
Luckily, you can still see the eggs.
Yes.
I think it's going to take a few more days. Hey, look at that. That is a tiny tadpole.
I could see movement inside the foam, which could mean that the tadpoles are ready for the next step. I wondered if the rain falling down was a cue to the tadpoles to emerge. The tadpoles are so tiny, each one just a little bigger than a couple of grains of rice. When filming them close up, everything looked so amazing. Even though it took just a few seconds for them to slide down the leaf, they looked so fragile and vulnerable. But one thing was for sure. They were determined to survive. This was all so fantastic. We were witnessing the end of one chapter and the beginning of the next of one of the most complex life cycles in the animal kingdom. From tadpoles to froglets to adult frogs, there was a long and adventurous journey waiting for these amazing little creatures.
As much as I love the rain, I'm so happy the sun is out, man. So amazing. I love those tadpoles. Oh man, it's a sequence of a lifetime.
It is, and for me, it was a first time experience of watching the whole thing from nesting to hatching to tadpoles coming out.
I mean, I think it's just amazing that cycle of life, how the monsoon is so critical for so many of these animals. So great. I'm so glad we are here and I'm looking forward to the next one.
Yes.